What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, you guys are coming to the gym with me. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I haven't done a come to the gym with me in a good while, and I feel like it is overdue. Today is leg day. I'm focusing more on the hamstrings and the glutes today. So to all my ladies who want to grow their glutes, I'm sure you guys would love this workout. Honestly, you guys can honestly follow along with me on my 4-week program. You guys check it down in the description. I am doing a 4-week glute program, focusing mostly on the glutes, but we're still hitting shoulders, back, quads, all that stuff. We're focusing on everything, you know? So feel free to check out the link in my description. I'll also have it pinned in the comments as well. Yeah, let's get into it right now. I'm gonna get me something to eat. I am hungry. So I don't know if you guys shop at Ideal Nutrition, because I do. So like when I know I'm not cooking for the week, I'll get like 15 meals for me and my husband. And they have these protein chocolate muffins, and let me tell you guys, it's a bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat 2 of these because I already ate 1 yesterday. And then I also eat a Rice Krispie treat. I don't know the exact science behind this. It's not something I learned in school, but it does help with the pump. So who doesn't want a glute pump? You know what I'm saying? Like, I want my butt to get bigger. I'm gonna show you guys on the screen how my butt look, and on the 4-week mark, or I'll show you guys progress each week. So I'll do like a come to the gym with me at least once a week. This is the end of the first week. Yeah, so I'm gonna post that on the screen right now. And then I lost my train of thought. But anyway, I'm gonna eat a muffin. So the good thing is about me going to the gym is that my husband owns a gym. If you guys didn't know, my husband owns a gym in Jupiter, Florida. If you guys are ever in town or in that area and you want somebody to train you one-on-one, or you just want to go onto the machine and pay a 1-day pass, feel free to check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's in Jupiter, Florida. Again, as I was saying, hamstring and glutes. This is what I'm wearing. Can't even see me. I have to back up all the way back here for you guys to see me. The pants are from Shein. I'll put it in the description. And then I'm wearing this jacket. This jacket, I don't know, I think this jacket's from Fashion Nova. And then my sports bra is from Shein. And I'm wearing my On sneakers. Okay, I'm wearing my On sneakers. Anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and eat, get a pre-workout in, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. All right, so we made it into the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And if you guys want to see a full what I do on my leg day, my warm-ups, I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can see, and click on it so I can show you guys, so you guys can see like my my leg day warm-ups. All right, let me stop yapping and get to it. All right, so we have deadlifts, and before I start to deadlift heavy weight, what I'll end up doing is deadlifting just a bar, and then I'll start to add weight. As you'll see in the video, I'll add weight until I get to the desired weight, and then once I get to the heavier weight, I just do less reps. So this is a comfortable heavy weight for me. Like, I haven't lifted heavy in a while, so I wanted to keep it safe. So I'm only going to do 3 sets by, I believe it's 5 or 6 reps. Typically I would do 3 sets by 12, but I wasn't feeling comfortable to do that. So this next exercise is the single leg deadlift. This requires a lot of balance, which in the video you'll notice that I don't have good balance. So after a couple of exercises, I end up just doing the B stance, which I should have started off like that. But if you guys want to see, I'll post a picture of how the B stance look, and you're probably better off doing that instead.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Let me tell you something, hip thrust is the holy grail of glute gain. If you're a beginner and you're afraid of using weight, just start off with just resistance band, and then eventually you get to the point of using dumbbell and or a barbell. So this was supposed to be a hyperextension workout, but my husband does not have a hyperextension machine in his gym, so this exercise is a great alternative.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. One of the worst things after a workout is having to put things away. Like, it's a workout within itself. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys use this video to follow along. If you guys would like to see real-time workout as far as like all my sets, all my reps, my rest time, let me know, because typically I like to just do a workout and then stop the camera and then I finish out my 2 sets. But if you guys would like to see more of like a real-time workout, please let me know and I'll definitely get that out for you guys. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. It's not much, but these things are heavy. And then I'm gonna go home and edit this video. Hopefully it's out today or tomorrow morning. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go home, cook. I think Georgia and Tennessee plays today. which is going to be a big gain. Actually, they're going to pay in like 15 minutes. I need to hurry up and start cooking. And then tonight is LSU in Alabama, so I'm excited. Today is a football day, and I'm eating junk, but it's like healthy junk, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me stop yapping. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.